Hi, this is a Ulefone Gemini. I had to replace the display. This you can see in here the protective plastic. And after this, when I press the power button, the phone just turn off. I think that should only suspend the image, but the phone just turn off. I even bought a motherboard, another motherboard, thinking that the problem should be from the motherboard, but I can see that the problem is from the screen. The display have some kind of short circuit, and I believe that it's the display, because I even try with the original screen, the original display, and the phone works good. Only the only fail that the original screen, it's that this area he doesn't respond to the touch, so I have to bought the new one. But with this new one, I have some kind of problem that when I press the power button, on and off button, the phone just shut off the. So as you can see, he is working fine, responding well, but when I press the power button to suspend the image, the phone just turn off. As you can see, I will show you. I'm going to press the power button in here. Now I'm going to press it again. It should appear some image, but as you can see, no image. I must to turn it on again. Let's see. Okay. There. This is the original motherboard, the one that I bought. It's in there, as you can see. They're equal. The problem is really the LCD display. I'm going to press the power button again. It should only suspend the image, but it just turned off the phone. This display is not very good.